In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your data is already prepared. This is important because XLOOKUP works best when your information is clearly organized in columns or rows. In this example, you'll want a table that includes something like an ID column and a marks column so Excel can search one area and return a value from another. Before entering the formula, it helps to understand the basic structure of XLOOKUP. The first part is the lookup value. This is the value you want Excel to find. Next is the lookup array, which is the range where Excel will search for that value. Then you have the return array, which is the range containing the result you want back. Finally, there is the if not found part, which is optional and lets you display a custom message if Excel cannot find a match. Once you understand those parts, click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, the goal is to find a student's marks from a sample data set. Let's say the lookup value is 103. That means Excel should search for 103 in the ID column. Now begin entering the XLOOKUP formula. Set 103 as the lookup value. Then select the range under the ID column as the lookup array because that is where Excel should look for the value. After that, select the range under the marks column as the return array because that is the information you want Excel to bring back. When you complete the formula and press enter, Excel returns 85. What makes XLOOKUP so useful is how straightforward it is. In simple terms, XLOOKUP searches a list for a value and returns the matching result from another column or row. It saves time, reduces manual searching, and is much more flexible than older lookup methods in many situations. As a quick tip, always double check that your lookup array and return array line up correctly. If the ranges are mismatched, the formula may not return the result you expect. It's also a good idea to keep your data clean and consistent, especially when working with IDs or codes. And that's it. That's how you use the XLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel. Once you practice it a couple of times, it becomes a very easy and powerful tool to use in your spreadsheets.